I'm Jussi Hiltunen and acting as a research professor at VTT Technical Research Center, but here I'm presenting MedPhab. And the purpose of this activity is really to help companies in medical device development. Background: first, it has been identified that delays in product development are quite a bit delayed by the heterogeneous nature of photonics, and then fragmented offering of the manufacturing companies. And secondly, regulatory compliance is highly demanding, and especially for SMEs launching the first product to market. And so MedPhab is not the only pilot line. There are several others in photonics, but the concept that differentiates MedPhab from the other ones and available services, it relies on open access model focusing on the high impact medical application domain and accelerated production. So we are a consortium of 18 partners, and depending on the customer needs and required technology readiness level, the work can be distributed between ISO 13485 certified companies, so who can do the fabrication under a medical certificate, or between research organizations. And the orders for the pilot production line are made in a centralized manner and then channeled to manufacturer that has the best implementation capability. And the idea is that this model is supported by modularized fabrication and established production libraries. And in this establishment phase, we have a kind of technology validation program. And this focuses on 3 application areas with different users, covering hospital use, home care devices, and equipment for molecular diagnostics. And this diagnostic devices consists of numerous photonic and non-photonic components that need to be then combined for required functionality. And in MedPhab, we will offer first photonics module integration, second fiber optic packaging, and third disposable in vitro optofluidic diagnostics to a level where it is ready for small to medium scale production, and then scalable up to commercial production. And again, so consortium comprises both research organization and those certified companies, and this enables us to have a fairly extensive list of offering in different categories. And then what is important to point out that when communicating with the customers, it's important to understand their needs and the phase where MedPhab can help, and whether it is more in the development or in the upscaling phase. And if the customer is in the concepting phase, then we have capabilities for example, photonic designs with different methods, and those are then connected to understanding of actual fabrication methods. And if we can use then, or if it is more in the upscaling phase, then MedPhab can help to make designs for manufacture and then perform the actual pilot line production. And I want to emphasize that even though there are a lot of things inside MedPhab, we can't do everything alone, and that's why that we are also establishing good networks with other EU pilot lines. And we started the development of operational processes just a couple of months ago. We had a kickoff meeting in January. And currently, when we get inquiries, we pass those then to individual MedPhab partners, but we are very rapidly developing also those operational processes that we really can operate as a entity. And please follow us, and next year we will launch open calls for the external customers, and this enables early adoption of those new technologies that are being developed. And here you can see then the MedPhab consortium. So, we have 5 research organizations, and their role is to develop new fabrication techniques and then to support company, especially in research and development phase. Other group is formed by the industrial manufacturing partners that enables industrial level control for the fabrication. That is again very relevant in medical domain. Then we have 5 companies evaluating internally the quality of our technology. And then we have also partners to support this technology development activities and partners for clinical relevance analysis, then for project management, and then again thanks to EPIC for supporting us in dissemination and outreaching. And then me and MedPhab Consortium, we are very happy to provide further information. So please follow us in LinkedIn or Twitter, and you can visit also our website. And if there are any questions, please send also email to info@medphab.eu. So this is in brief how MedPhab is being developed really to support the European industry in photonic medical device development.